We're here, guys.
Mommy, it's hot.
Yes, cut. Let's go. Sakto kami. Magko-close sila ng 3 PM. We have 1 hour. Or kahit 30 minutes. Ay, ang hirap naman. Ay, tulakin. Parang may peaches tree sila, guys. So, ayun o. Let's go. Hirap tulakin ni Laili. Look at that dog, Hailey. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Let's go. Doon sa taas yata speaking. Okay, let's go inside. Let's see. Okay. Libre ang kids, so magbabayad muna ako. $5 per pound. So, ayan sa taas. Oh! May play area sila dito, guys. Oh. Ayan. Hintay nila ako magbayad. $2 lang naman ang entrance fee. So, $4 kami ni Harold. Riley! Let's go cherry picking! $5 per pound. And ayan ang aming bucket. Waiting lang kay Harold. Hi, Hailey! Hailey! Busy siya. Nakahanap ng laruan. Hailey, we will go up. We will do our cherry picking. Let's go, Hailey! Ayun yung bucket natin. Let's go! Later, say bye-bye car. Later, let's go. Let's go to daddy. cherry picking. Let's go! Kaya ng stroller? Okay, Hailey, careful. Let's go over there. Yes! Cherries! Come on! First time namin to, guys. Let's go, let's go. Ayun, may mga chickens, oh, Hailey. Over there, oh. Chickens with eggs. Hi, chicken. Over there, oh. Ayun. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Here, Hailey, this way. Go to daddy. Makakamahulog dyan. Okay. Guys, ito na ang cherries, oh. Han, ito na. Abot kamay mo na, oh. Wow! Oh my God, pulang-pula. Oh my gosh. That's my favorite. Look at those. Ang dami. Ang bababa ng puno, no? Saan tayo mag-start? Saan ba nagpupunta ang mga tao? Alright, let's go, let's go. Find the spot. Yay! Umabot na tayo sa cherry picking season. Ikala ko pa mga July eh. Good thing na search up natin to. Ay, kumakain na sila. Pwedeng tumikim. Tikim-tikim. Ay, wala tayong dalang tubig. Para hugasan. Nagla-ladder sila, no? Let's go! Find the spot. Ano, kukuha ka rin ba ng ladder? Bakit may mga ladder doon? Ito, oh. Itong puno na to, ano? Picture tayo. Wow! Or cherries? Okay. This one. Wait. Wait! Hala, tinubo ng buo. Ang sarap, guys. Bisa may mga taas. Oh, ayun, ang dami pa doon. Okay. Oopsies. Wait, Hailey. Where's mommy's cellphone?
Lollies.
Okay, wait.
Lollies.
Bigay ko sa kanya walang seed. Yummy. Yummy. Wala tayong wipes. Sa iba tayo, ibang lugar. Lipat kami sa kabilang puno. Let's go, let's go. Baka malaglag ka dyan, te. Let's go here, Hailey. Ayan na, may mga, hindi, may mga tao pala yung mga hagdan. Wala bang bakanting hagdan dyan? Kaso baka mahulog kahan. Picturean mo nga ako. Maliit lang pala yung, wag yan, masyadong hinog yata. Ibabiyahe pa natin eh. Ayan, dito tayo. Next spot. Next spot.
I-picture you, mami.
Come on. Eto, Hailey. Get one and then give it to mommy. Ay, hindi niya abot eh. Hindi niya abot. Eto, try to get this one. Meron ba dito? Wala niya. Hindi niya abot, Han. Teka. Wait. Let's check. Here. Come here. This one. Ay, hindi abot ni Hailey eh. Wait. I will give you na lang. Dapat may maliit na abot ni Hailey. Ay, kaso na ano ka lang ba? Kinuha mo ba yung niya, stem? Hindi ko makuha. Okay, wait.
Mommy.
Wait, tamis no? Sarap, guys. Pre-taste. Ay!
Hindi na nainugasan.
Para naman may bakterya. Para naman may bakterya yung ano natin. Saan? Saan? Uy, baka si Riley. Takpan natin si Riley. May bee daw, may bee. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, may bee. Wait. Saan? Ah, not. Mommy will give you. Wait.
There, pick mo to.
Yummy.
Oh guys, so much guys.
Yummy yung kumpul-kumpulan. Uy, Hailey. No. I will give it to you. Mahan, baka dumukot siya dyan, di ko makita. Pakita mo ito, ano? Tingnan mo naman, oh, pulang-pula. Here, oh. Look at that. Pulang-pula, guys. Oh. Ang hirap tanggalin kasi kapag yung stem, eh. Ay, nahulog yung isa. Okay, wait, Hailey. Hailey, oh. Mas maganda ba sa taas? Kaya sila aakyat ng hagdan? Ah, anong sa tingin mo?
Pare-parehas lang.
Mommy, look. Eat.
Yes.
Here.
Wait. Si Haron ang nag-pick, guys. Para mabilis kami maka-check-in na makapag-swimming. Okay lang. Hindi na lang sobrang maaraw or mainit. Ano na? Patingin? Tama na yan. Enough na yan. Yan. Patingin? Yeah. Yep. That's it. Let's go. 1350? Yeah. Okay. So I'll just e-transfer you. 1350, guys. We're here sa ating hotel. Go there. Straight. Dito kami sa Days Inn by Windham, guys. Hailey, here. Mag-check-in muna kami.
Days in pala yung napuntahan natin.
Ha?
Ibang days in pala napuntahan natin.
Bakit? Anong ibang Days Inn? Hindi, ito yun. Highway 97. Let's go. Ah, Hailey, go inside. Let's go.
What time is your pool open? It's still 10.
Pag 10 o'clock, so okay.
Yeah, good swimming before.
Oh, swimming! You're gonna swim? Ayan na, mukhang panalo. Han, panalo nga Canada. Oh.
That's the ball.
Wow, may papri yata, oh. Cookies.
Reading their own.
Sakto kami, guys. 3 p.m. na.
It's not like that we have a system here.
Check in 3 p.m. Check out 11 a.m.
It's here, but it's not like.
You need my ID?
Yes, just give me a
Okay,
second. Just
no worries.
updating the rooms.
No worries. Hey, come here.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for your room.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's done or not. Meanwhile, we can just do some stuff.
Okay.
So,
We
I see-
requested like a
Sorry?
crib or like a bassinet. Do you have it here? Or a crib or bassinet because I have a baby.
Oh yeah, I think yeah. So for the crib, it's gonna be $25 extra.
Oh, there is an
What's
extra.
the
It's
bassinet?
nothing.
You have bassinet?
I have to check. I don't think so.
Okay, well, I thought it's like free, so I think we're just gonna be co-sleeping her. Okay, sure.
So it's your phone number, license plate, and signature. And then I just need your ID and a credit card, please, for the damage.
Yeah. License. Let's find a room.
Like,
141.
wow.
Okay. 141.
Wow.
Ground floor lang tayo. Careful lang. Pumasok na si Hailey sa maling kwarto eh. Come here. Sa dulo yata tayo eh. Ang dami pala dito. Oh, ayan pa. Layo. Diretso. Yung parking mo han, ilipat mo na lang. Here, Hailey. Dito pa, sa dulo. Ililipat na lang ni Daddy yung car. Nasa 129 pa lang tayo. Count mo.
Kaya na mag-swimming.
Ha? Bakit?
Saka na lang kaya.
Hindi, dali natin si Riley syempre din dun. Ito na, sa dulo. This one, Hailey. Walang 140. Oh, 141.
Hey.
Okay. Oh, hawak. Kaya natin. Key card. Okay. Let's try.
Bye.
Wow! Oh, where's the...
Oh.
Big house na naman. Ang dilim ah. Ang dilim ah. Oo, maganda. Ayan.
What? Malamig
Ayan na, malamig na. Oh. Ready na. Oh. May TV oh. Nasaan pa yung lights? Let's turn on. King size bed, guys. Ayan. Co-sleeping namin si Riley kasi may additional bayad ang crib. $25 daw. Tapos ang washroom, buksan mo Han. Pang wheelchair access to eh. Mobility. Kaya malaki. Oh. Ah, not bad no. Ayan. May upuan. Dab pa yung sabon nila. Ayan, malaki yung shower, Hailey oh. Ay, gusto mo mag-ano dito? Bathtub. There you go, malaki. Yay! Okay, Daddy will get all our things. Riley is sleeping. Tipid hack, guys. Magdala ng rice cooker at bigas. Ilan ba isasain ko? 3. Kasi may free breakfast kami dito eh. Ilan kaya? 4? Kasi usually 4 kami sa bahay eh. Tanungin natin si Harold. Han, 4? Free breakfast tayo tomorrow eh. So meron pa pang-lunch natin at least kung may matira, no? Okay, 4 daw. Luto na. Kanin. And then chicken from Superstore. Asan na yung akin dyan? Kain. Okay. Bago kami mag-swimming, kain na muna kami dahil gutom na kami. Asan na? Ano ba yan? Yun. Oras na. 4:14 ng hapon. Sayang lang naman Tomas, no? Okay naman sa sweet and sour eh. Si Hailey, nagdede. Ayan, oh. Ready na rin mag-swimming yun, oh. Yung isa, oh. Tahimik. Sexy ni Hailey, oh. Let's go swimming! Kami lang muna ni Hailey. Susunod si Harold and Riley. Hindi pa tapos kumain si Harold eh. Ako tapos na. Let's go! Until 10 PM daw yung swimming pool eh. Hopefully mainit. Tara. Hold mommy's hand. Go! Here. Okay.
How mommy?
Yeah, let's go out. Come on, let's go. Hold. Let's go. Sana wala masyadong tao guys para makapag-vlog ako. Uy, may hot tub, Hailey, oh. May hot tub.
Here.
Yeah. Which area? Saan ang daan?
There.
Here, this way. Ayan. May mga nagsuswimming, guys. Wow! Come on! Yay! Then before we go to the pool. You're good? You're good? You're good? Is it cold? Ay, cold yata.
I will be back later, okay?
Just stay here. Come on. Oh yeah. Ay, you're good? Just stay here. Stay here. Okay. Just stay here. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Is it cold? Do you wanna go in the hot tub?
No.
Huh? Are you cold? Are you cold? Are you cold? Huh? Are you cold? Let's get free coffee. Oh, just wait. Just wait like that. It's okay. Just wait.
Mommy.
Hey, no more cookies. Oh, all gone. Let's go. Here, on the other side. Yeah. Here, straight. Hailey, there, go up. Wait, straight, over there. Come on, straight. Say hi. Look at mommy. Bubble bath. Yung may malaking sign ng Kelowna. Ganda ng mga bahay. No parking. Ayan. Oh, ano yan? Kung saan kami napadpad, bawal na pumunta dun. May gate sarado, guys. Tapos residential dito. O, diba? Ganda ng aming
Yun lang eh.
pag-explore. O, sige, baba ako saglit.
Sige.
Okay, baba ako, guys. Wait lang.
Ito naman yung puno.
Teka lang. Tingnan natin. Tulog yung mga bata. Ay, ang ganda. Oh. Siyempre, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yan, no? Ano tong glass na to? Katakot. Ah, meron bangka dun, no? Yan, guys, oh. Ganda. Kalmado ang lake. Ito, guys, comment down below kung ano yan. May hagdan? Ah, may hagdan ba yan pababa? Ay, may hagdan. May hagdan pababa. Hagdan ba yun o ay, hindi hagdan. Parang ito. Pababa. Kasi may gulong. Tapos pwede pumunta doon. Uy, parang mala elevator. May deer kami nakita. Asan na? Uy, asan na? Ito. Asan na? Oh, my. Ang laki. Wild deer?
Oo, wild deer.
Yeah. Uy, ang talaga yung mga bata. Sana si
Oo.
Dito ulit kami sa downtown Marina, guys. Wala na kami mapuntahan. Ayun, no, sakto umalis.
Sarado na.
Puro sarado na, guys, eh. Ang mall, sarado ng 6. Tapos yung mga park naman, do open sila until 10. Kaso lalakad kami. Eh, tulog na yung mga bata. Dito na lang kami ulit sa downtown. Sakto tong nahanap na street parking ni Harold. Ang ganda naman itong Hotel Z. Nakita ko na yan sa Instagram. Ito pala yan. Makulay na hotel. Oh, diba? Ito na yan. Yan. Ito sa may garden. Tulog yung mga bata pa. And ang parking dito tuwing Sundays and statutory holidays, guys, libre. Street parking. Yan.